wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
From east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Today we're going to do something super special, and we're going to make our own picture frames.
Why are we going to make picture frames? Why not just buy them?
So we can make them however we want. We can color them different colors. We can put different shapes or images, however we want them. And no one's will be the same because we do them individually.
That sounds pretty exciting.
It is.
So, Olivia, what are you planning to put on to paint on your picture frame?
I want to put a flower, a tree, hearts, and the moon, and a bunch of different colors.
Wow, that sounds pretty exciting. What should I paint on my picture frames? Well, how about I do circles?
Yeah, that sounds amazing. What else?
And I can paint, how about squares?
Oh, yeah, that will match it with your circles.
What else could I put on there?
How about triangles?
Oh, that's a great idea. And then maybe I can also paint lines.
Yeah, lines, circles, triangles, and squares.
Wow, I think I know exactly what it is I'm doing. So, Olivia, for the kids to do this too at home, what will they need?
Oh, first you'll need a picture frame that you can customize and paint on. And you'll then need paint and paintbrushes and maybe some glitter and maybe some glue.
What would you use the glitter and glue for?
To make things more sparkly and shiny.
That's pretty cool. Well, why wait any longer? Let's start painting.
Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna paint some lines here. I'll take that idea from Noah.
Okay, so I'm going to use yellow for my base.
I'm gonna try to paint a tree here.
Gotta watch out that I don't go over the frame.
I think some spirals will look good around the tree. Spiral 1, spiral 2, spiral 3. I think I want some circles too.
And then I think I'm gonna make the bottom blue.
Circle, 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 circle. And now I want some hearts.
I need some more blue.
Oh, I love hearts. And I'm going to paint a flower up here.
How's the painting coming along, Olivia?
I think mine is turning out amazing. I'm putting so many things on it and it's all fitting in.
Wow, that looks pretty.
Yeah, I think I'm just missing a moon. Right here. I'm going to put the moon. A blue moon. Blue like the sky.
Okay, so for the top, I think I'm going to make circles.
Ooh, I'm going to add one last touch. I'm going to paint how I feel about Noah because I plan on putting a picture of Noah in it.
Olivia, I'm struggling with these squares. Can you help me out? What color should I choose?
How about gold?
Whoa, that's a good idea. Thanks. Golden squares on a blue backdrop.
That looks really nice, Noah.
Thanks. Are you almost done?
I am done.
Wow, that was quick. I'm done.
Yay! Now we can show everybody our frames.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, I'll go first. Mine has a moon and flowers and a tree at the bottom and hearts and the word love, and I even put a picture of me and Noah in it.
Wow, that looks so beautiful. I especially love the picture of us in there.
Yeah, me too. I was super happy to put that in there. Now, show us your pictures. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm excited. Okay, hold on. So this is my picture frame. How do you like that one?
Ooh, I really like it. I see you put the silver triangles and golden squares like I suggested. Aww.
I did. And this is my favorite picture of both of us.
I love that picture too.
So can I tell you more about what I did on my picture?
Yes, please do.
So on the right side, you see lines. And on the top, you see circles. And on the bottom, there are squares. And to the left are, like you suggested, silver triangles.
Yeah!
So, can you see those shapes in your picture too?
Here, let me see. Well, there's triangles that make up the flower right here. And I have shapes.
Well, look at the tree. What shape does the tree remind you of?
Oh, the tree reminds me of a triangle. And hearts. I have hearts here. Hearts are their own shape.
And what about the circles within the circles? How do we call that?
Oh, those are spirals that I made. And I really like that. Oh, look, it's Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy.
Hi, Fluffy. How are you?
Do you like our new picture frames?
Yeah, do you like mine too?
Yeah, he likes them. Fluffy, would you like to make a picture frame too?
Yeah, maybe we should do a picture frame for him.
No? Fluffy, you don't want to? Oh, Fluffy left. I guess he didn't want to make a picture frame. Oh, wait. No, he came back. What's this, Fluffy? Fluffy, this is not a good picture of you. You're sleeping and the picture frame is blank. Here, let me help you fix that.
Yeah, I think Fluffy needs some help.
Yeah.
Fluffy, how are you? Olivia's the best painter. You should see.
Aw.
Wow, just look at her at work.
And over here. Yeah.
She's pretty good.
Yep, there it goes there. And then we'll do this. And yep.
She's done.
Fluffy, do you want to see what I did? I even changed the picture for you. Are you ready for this? You're going to love it. Ta-da!
Wow!
Isn't that a much better picture?
That is a good
Way
picture.
better. Way better than just a blank frame. Here you go, Fluffy. Fluffy loves it. He's covering your face, Noah.
Olivia, he's covering my face. Now I'm in the picture frame.
You're behind the picture frame, silly. I guess that's it for today.
Okay, kids, if you still see me, bye!
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.
Thanks!